Will async await replace callbacks in JavaScript development? In the fast-paced world of JavaScript development, a hot topic has emerged. Will async await replace callbacks? This question is on the minds of many developers as they navigate the evolving landscape of asynchronous programming. With a growing emphasis on cleaner code and better readability, understanding these concepts is essential for anyone working with JavaScript today. Callbacks have been a fundamental part of JavaScript for years. They allow developers to execute functions after asynchronous tasks complete. However, as projects grow in complexity, callbacks can lead to messy code structures, often referred to as callback hell. This is where async await comes into play, offering a more streamlined approach. Async await is built on top of promises, which were introduced to improve error handling and allow for chaining asynchronous operations. With async await, developers can write code that looks synchronous, making it easier to read and maintain. By marking a function as asynchronous and using the await keyword, developers can pause execution until a promise resolves. Despite the advantages of async await, callbacks are still prevalent in many existing codebases. Older libraries and application programming interfaces often relying on callbacks. For instance, Node.js has a rich ecosystem built around callback-based functions, although newer versions encourage the use of promises and async await. Modern frameworks and tools are increasingly supporting async await, making it the preferred choice for new projects. The clarity and maintainability of async await are appealing to developers, leading to its rise in popularity. However, callbacks are not disappearing entirely. They remain as useful for specific scenarios, such as simple event handling or when working with legacy code. In practice, async await is becoming the standard for new JavaScript projects. While callbacks are still used, they are less common in contemporary code. This shift indicates a preference for async await due to its readability and ease of use. For developers learning JavaScript, it is essential to grasp both callbacks and async await. Mastering these patterns will enable you to navigate various codebases and application programming interfaces effectively. The transition toward async await does not eliminate callbacks, but it does signify a shift in how developers approach asynchronous programming. Understanding the current state of async programming in JavaScript is vital. Async await is leading the way, yet callbacks continue to play a role. Being knowledgeable about both will enhance your coding skills and prepare you for any JavaScript project you encounter.